Good morning, everybody. So today is going to be a bit of a hectic day. I've got quite a few things to do. So I'm at my sister's house currently. We just got ready. We're about to head out to Bunnings because I need to go and find a paint color that I like for Ava's bed. Now, I don't know if I've shown you guys her bed yet, but it's like, yeah, it's not the prettiest bed ever. I said to her, you know, you can choose whatever bed you want because she's going through a hard time right now, obviously, with everything going on. I just want her to be happy. I want her to love her bed because I do want to encourage her to go in her room as much as possible because I know that she's going to want to sleep with me a lot of the nights. So I'm trying to encourage her to like love her bedroom. So I said, you know, you go and choose whatever bed you want. It's all good. It's your decision. I'm thinking she's going to choose like something that I could work with, but she went and chose this like the biggest cubby house looking chunkiest bed. I'm like, I don't know how I'm gonna style this. This is gonna be a challenge, you guys. If I can style this bedroom and make it look cute at the end of the day, I'm gonna be so freaking proud of myself because this bed is not cute at all. I mean, it has potential though. I will give it that. It has potential. So at the moment, it's got a really dark roof. So I'm going to go to Bunnings, go and find some paint that I can switch the roof color. And I feel like once the roof color is switched up, then I can work with it. You know what I mean? Because right now it's just really dark and just chunky and like, it's just, there's no like girliness to it. So I want to paint it either like a really cute dusty pink color or even like a baby pink color so that it looks, you know, a little girly and it look like a little girl's bedroom. So I'm trying to do that today. So before we do that, I'm going to head to Amart because there was this quilt cover that was with the bed, the original, the one that I saw in the store, and it was actually really cute. It went really well with the color of the wood and I was like, I need that quilt cover. I've been searching around for this for like maybe a week now. I went to 3 different ones. I just called this one in Pakenham and they said that they have it. So we're going to head over there and pick that up. And then we're going to go to Bunnings and try to match it with like that cover because I really like the color of that. I feel like I am just rambling. So let's just get on the road and go and pick out this paint because yeah, we need to get this done today. Ava actually comes back home tomorrow and she's so excited about this bed. So I need to have it ready and set up for her so that when she comes, she's excited and has something to look forward to. Anyway, come on, let's go. There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth. So this is the bed that Ava chose. As you can see, it is massive. So this is the roof I'm talking about painting. As you can see, it's like a dark grey, kind of looks like charcoal grey. So I want to paint that like a dusty pink. The quilt cover that I want to get is right over here. So I'll show you guys the quilt cover anyway. I saw this quilt cover inside this bed in another store and actually looked really cute. So this is the one. I see 2 on the floor, but I feel like, I feel like they don't have it because I see 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. And she said that they had 3 in stock. But I feel like they put them on the floor and then they forget to take it out the system. So wait, what? It's my sister. Hi. And where are they? No, she's gone to look for them. I think I'm gonna have to just find a different quilt cover that I like. As we suspected, they didn't have any on the, they didn't have any in the back. All the ones that they were talking about were the ones that were already on the floor. So I was like, damn it. But it's all good. I think I'll probably go to like Norsu Interiors and like go find one. Splurge a little bit on that. I mean, this one wasn't cheap anyway. This one was like $110, reduced from 130 something. So yeah, apparently they don't make quilt covers anymore for Amart though. It's discontinued, so there's no way I'll get it anywhere else, but I'm sure I'll find something similar online. So now we're gonna head to Bunnings.
This is gonna be a hell of a work now. All this color, all these different shades of pink.
Yeah, right?
Yeah,
you have to find like, you have to find like the perfect shade.
It's heaven.
Okay, well, what heaven?
Pink is heaven. Oh yeah, well I was obsessed with the color pink. So your room's gonna be so girly, huh, Wish?
Yep.
She's like the total girly girl of the family. Todd, on the other hand, she's a bit of a tomboy. And Ava's a real girly girl as well. I think Zoe might be a tomboy.
Oh,
so
no, she's.
Our girls, one of them's super girly and one of them's like a tomboy. I think Zoe's definitely going to be the tomboy out of the 2. Bunnings, mate, do we have money for a hot dog?
Can we not get this?
Are you okay, bro? Bunnings sausages are the best sausages ever. Like,
thank God we don't have any money.
We don't have coins?
No, thank God.
Mate, how do you come to Bunnings and not buy a snag? A snag, mate, how? Bunnings is all about the snags, mate. I could smell it. Look at that. It smells glorious, man. Bunnings has the best bloody sausages ever. You're gonna get run over, bro. Oh my God, it smells amazing. I need a sausage. I need one. Wishy, do you have coins, mate?
Check out this
Yeah.
behind us. Because of the queue.
The touch of your hand makes me tremble within.
We have a wood sample here that kind of looks similar to Avi's cubby bed, so we're going to put the swatches next to it and see which one matches it the best. Big dollar, yeah? Mm-hmm. Like, I feel like that's...
It's too bright.
Okay, what's the original one we're going for?
The middle one.
This was the original. Love affair. Is this too pink? Or we go with the blush, because this is chalked paint, this ultra matte. I feel like that's cute though. Don't you reckon? Just like soft. Alright, so this is the one I ended up going with. As you can see, these were all of our swatches. I ended up going for a blush pink, an ultra matte chalked paint. I actually used this paint to do Ava's kitchen last time when I did the IKEA kitchen upgrade. So yeah, I've used it before. It's actually really good. So this is the color, and I think it's gonna look really cute. So time is slowly ticking away. We are gonna head back to my place and get to painting. Here are all the roof parts. You cannot see right now because the sun is so bright. But yeah, they are getting there. But all I know is that these things are about to look black, so I have to spray paint them pink.
Because I was wondering, what the hell are you doing? I really need I feel like a shower. I feel gross.
Right, me too.
Ugh.
Come on, let's go see your bed. Where's your room? Do you remember where your bedroom is? Keep going straight.
Yeah.
What do you think, Amy? What do you think of it?
Good.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Do you love it? What do you say?
Thank you. Can you take my jumper off?
So excited to have a bed?
Yay.
Feel how soft it is?
Wow.
Wow.
Can I do this? No.
Yeah. That's Zoe's puzzle because it's really easy. It's for little babies.
But I like this puzzle.
Okay, maybe you could show Zoe how to do it.
I love it.
Oh, you're so cute. Give me a huggy. Can I have a hug, Mama? Oh, love you.
Mama.
This is my bed. Do you like this one? Look at my mummy's big bed. Is it so cool?
Go.
Cool. Do you like it, Zoe?
Mama.
Yeah. What you doing? Oh, no. Don't take it off, Zozo. No. You little cheeky cheek. Do you like the bed, Zozo? Yeah, it looks kind of naked right now, but it'll look cute soon. Yeah. Okay, come on, let's go eat, Zoe. Let's go eat pancakes. Pancakes, yeah, let's go.